Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal, bonjour, how's everybody? I am back on the track after few weeks. Don't get surprised by looking at the pictures behind me, but what you're guessing now is right. I am gonna adopt a monkey. Yes, I am gonna adopt a monkey. So let's go inside and check it out. What is the procedure for it? I'll see you later.
Don't move. Steph, he's coming for me food. Just don't move. Don't move. He's in me back. He's getting me food. Oh, that's all up in there. Come on, guys. That's all we have to do. Tasty more food. Yeah. Thank you. You have to clap you, you're running over.
He just went and did it behind me, and everybody was like, seriously? Just like with humans, you see, I'm not recommending a lot of them just lack comfort. Also, a rocking behaviour is very common with the ones that have been taken away. They'll often embrace something, whether it be a pole or a pile of wood wool, and then they'll rock so you get the movement and the hug feeling. So you will often see that.
There's a lock hole. Stop moving.
She does. I think part of that is the circus thing. You know, she obviously had a lot of interest from humans there, and she does like to see what's going on. She is a real poser for a camera. The second she sees a camera, she will head to it. You know, if you've got a camera here, she'll walk along and make sure she gets part of every camera.
Hey Billy, what are you doing in there, man? Wherever I go, I find you. Have you changed your location now from Bird's World to Monkey's World? What are you doing? I will be there wherever you will go.
Oh, go then.
Où il est mon rôdeur? Oh non, je ne peux pas l'abandonner. Je ne peux pas l'abandonner, mon rôdeur. Mais je ne peux pas t'abandonner, mon chéri. Comment puis-je t'abandonner? Tata va te radopter. Mais oui, je te radopte. Mais oui, je te radopte. Comment veux-tu que je l'abandonne? T'as vu comme il est beau? Dis mon trésor. Oh mon rôdeur, oui, tiens, regarde. Il y a tout ça là. Il y a ça. Là, oui, mais je suis obligée de le radopter. Hein. Il y a ça. Tu peux pas me photographier avec?
Mais oui, mais j'aurais bien aimé, mais...
Regarde, et ça. Oh là là, tout ce qu'il y a pour rôdeur. Dis mon rôdeur. Dis, il m'a reconnu ou pas?
Oui, t'as des beaux yeux, tu sais.
Oh, il est beau. Mais montre-lui ton sac.
C'est sali, là.
Oui. Oh mon chéri. Oh, je peux pas. Où il est, rôdeur? Où il est, mon rôdeur? Où il est? Oh, comment veux-tu que je la... Oh mon chéri. Oh mon petit rôdeur. Oui.
C'est sali.
Mais il n'y a rien.
That monkey was giving out kisses. He was very much friendly. वो monkey ऐसे जपियाँ दे रहा था जैसे चुम्मा चुम्मा ले ले, है ना, कि चुम्मा चुम्मा ले ले चुम्मा. ओ आज है भी जुम्मा. जुम्मे के दिन किया चुम्मे का वादा, जुम्मे को तोड़ दिया चुम्मे का वादा. लो आ गया रे फिर जुम्मा चुम्मा चुम्मा दे दे. जिसको चुम्मा चाहिए आके यहाँ से monkey से ले लो. Anybody want any kisses? This chimpanzee, what was it? Chimpanzee or gorilla? The monkey. Eh? What? Chimpanzee. That friendly chimpanzee was giving kisses out. Oh, we found a deer. Beautiful deer. Wow. Hello, baby. Hi. You know, in our area, we got 3-4 deers. Mm-hmm. It's only, I don't like one thing, we are not close to them. You know, we should be able to feed them, we should be able to hold them, you know, at least touch them. What's that? Is that monkeys? Oh, no, they are kids. Do you know, human beings have evolved from monkeys, isn't it? Huh? Say it how? Human beings have been evolved from monkeys?
We share 98%,
We share
95% of DNA with
we share 95% of DNA with monkeys.
But not monkeys, apes.
With apes.
5% we share with orangutans for some reason.
Okay. Other 5%, the remaining percent we share with what? Rhino?
Orangutans.
Orangutans.
Yeah.
What is that?
The really big orange one.
Oh, the big orange ones. Oh. So basically we are monkeys then. %95% and rest 5% we have DNAs of the monkeys. So we are monkeys originally.
Just apes.
Oh no, not monkeys, sorry guys. Apes. We are big alien apes. You got it? We are big apes.
95% with apes, 5% with orangutans.
Oh, 95% with apes, 5% with
Orangutan.
orangutans. Okay, remember this. I'm going to ask you this question again in near future. Let me just show you this map. This is how big it is. This looks like this. It looks good. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, I will have this one. Right, this is it guys. I'm gonna end up my vlog here and I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Gosh, I can't breathe in it. Right, so adopting a monkey is a very long procedure. I have to build a cage for him at home where they will come and do the inspection. If they are happy, they're gonna give it to me. But right now, I'm heading back home and I think I'm gonna end up my vlog here. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe. You need to click on this subscription and on this small icon, the bell icon, so you get the notification of my clips. And don't forget guys, I have 2 channels, here and here. Don't forget to subscribe it. I will see you soon in my next clip. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye.